Hi, my name is Harold Baptiste, and I live in Austin, Texas. I decided to attend Drone Command Live uh, due to a YouTube advertisement that I saw. I don't know, I just took advantage of it, clicked the link, and decided to join. Initially, I joined at the first level and realized that I'm going to be a little busy, but so I signed up and got the VIP package so that I can have the recordings. One of my biggest takeaways from the event is really how to really start a business and do it properly. I'm learning what not to do to advertise, and I'm also learning that I don't have to spend money to advertise, that this product really sells itself and offer the service, the benefit, and you don't have to lie to sell anything. The presentation is great. The community is great. What was great about attending virtually, the fact that I can attend virtually and being online did help me to have, think an identical experience to if I was there live. What would I say to someone who is on the fence about attending Drone Command Live? I say do it. If you have the capital to do it, throw it on a credit card. Just do it. If your business is struggling, do it. It's You spend money on all kinds of other things, right? Why not spend it on something and get some value from it that can really help you uh, mobilize and move in the direction that you want to do, and that's help customers, empathize with them, and get their pain points right, hit the hot buttons, and give them a product that will benefit their business, help them grow, help them make money, and in turn it will benefit you as well. And if I had to describe Damon and Diego, they are full of life, very colorful personalities, and they uh, really make you feel eager to participate, and very personable. Sometimes a little edgy, but very personable. I am learning a great deal, and I do. He makes it easy to understand and to follow along.